How to find transit number on Simplii Financial. Welcome back to Techmate, and let's get right into this video. To find the transit number, you can use the mobile banking app of Simplii Financial. You can download from your Play Store or App Store. Log in into your Simplii Financial banking account. Now once you are in here, you have to locate the option of Manage Account. Check for a void check. A void check will display your transit number. If not, in your mobile banking app, you can search for account info. In there as well, you'll be easily able to locate the transit number. If not, you have to check for your deposit slip or your check of your Simplii Financial. The transit number, institution number, and account number will be present right at the bottom of your check. By getting access to it, you'll be able to use your transit number. You can also view this using your Simplii Financial website. That brings us to the end of the video as well. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.